been a while since I've done an explainer video, and I've gotten a couple of questions about filters on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, specifically how to make sure that you're filtering in a way that you actually get leads who will respond to you. And there are a couple of quick tips that I like to use that I'll show you just now. So as usual, go in and pick some filters regarding company headcount. Say current job title, communications. We'll want to make sure from a geographic perspective, let's see, United States. I usually like to go into the degree of connections. Secondary connection, make sure that they know someone that you know. So I've got 240 results, which is still a lot, but I think what a lot of people don't necessarily know about is some of the features down here in the spotlight. So for instance, one of the ones that I like to do is post it on LinkedIn in the last 30 days. And by checking that, you ensure that you're not trying to do lead generation with people who have a profile that maybe they check every 6 months or only when they're looking for a job or have some sort of big announcement, but someone who's actually been active and posted something in the past 30 days. Another one I usually like to do is change jobs in the last 90 days. And it can also be helpful if they are following your company page or perhaps if they viewed your profile in the last 90 days. Okay, so now it makes it easy for you to be able to interact with these people. You can kind of go through and take a look and see what LinkedIn content they posted recently. And then it's a good idea to say, okay, they posted something maybe a few days ago. Perhaps that's a post that you can interact with. Send them a DM saying, hey, I thought that was a really insightful post that you did. Perhaps even better, leave a comment. And then after sort of liking a little bit of their content, perhaps sharing it, commenting, it's a good idea to reach out to them through the DMs, not necessarily try to sell them, but at least say, hey, listen, I've really enjoyed your content. I find it very insightful. Is there anything I can do to help support it more? And then after you've established a rapport, then you might open the door to say, hey, listen, I have some things I'd like to share with you. Perhaps I'd like to grab a couple of minutes with you. So anyway, that's a couple of things that I think from a lead generation perspective on Sales Navigator can really help. Make sure that you're interacting with people who are active on the platform and doing so with a little social selling to make sure that you're not just sort of hitting them with something you want, but you're offering them something of value to start the relationship, and then hopefully paving the way where you can have a conversation about something that you might have a value that would be interesting to them. So anyway, that's my tip. Please let me know if you have any thoughts in the comments.